In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a person in Kenya on Sendwave 2025, step by step. Let's start by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is up to date. A quick update and a solid internet connection can prevent errors later, especially when sharing links or tracking rewards. Next, head to the Invite Friends section. Depending on your app version, you'll usually find this under your profile icon, settings, or a tab labeled Rewards or Refer a Friend. When you're there, you'll see your unique invite link along with the current referral terms. It's a good idea to skim those terms so you know the eligibility requirements and how the reward is applied. Now copy or share your invite link. You can tap copy to clipboard and paste it anywhere, or share directly through apps like WhatsApp, SMS, or email. Add a quick note telling your friend to tap the link on their phone and complete the sign up from that same device. That ensures the referral tracks correctly. If they already have a Sendwave account, the referral won't apply. Your friend will use your link to download Sendwave. The link should send them straight to the official App Store page. Remind them to install the legitimate app and to keep Wi-Fi or data on during download. It helps if they're in Kenya and plan to use a supported payout option available there. After installing, your friend should open the app and create an account. If the link was tapped first, the referral usually connects automatically. They should enter their own details and complete any required verification. If there's a referral field, they can use your code, but the safest route is always to start from your link. They must be a new user to qualify. Next comes their first transfer. For the reward to trigger, they need to complete a qualifying transfer to Kenya using the app's available methods. They'll choose a recipient, enter the amount, and confirm payment. Encourage them to double-check names, numbers, and payout method before sending. Transfers that are canceled or refunded typically won't count, and identity verification may be required. Finally, check your reward. You'll usually get a notification, and you can confirm it in the Invite Friends or Rewards area. Processing can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. If it seems delayed, verify that they signed up through your link and completed a qualifying transfer, then reach out to in-app support if needed. That's it. Follow these steps, share your link confidently, and enjoy your reward.